Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Network Notes. Hope you all are doing well. Today in this video we're going to learn the use of variables and the basic numerical types. So, what is variable? Variable is something where we can store data or store a value. Here in Notepad I already wrote a program to make my video a bit short. Let's just copy it and paste it in PyCharm. We will work about this later, so just make it as a comment. Okay, so here we can see there's a program. Let's run it. Yeah, it's functions perfectly. Now I'm gonna make some variables. So variables must have a name. This name could be, it can be anything. We can write anything as a variable name, but just to make sure that the variable name cannot start with a number. For example, one name. This is not an appropriate variable name. It could be name one. That's fine. So variable names must start with a character or with a underscore. That's fine as well. Name. This is fine as well, but we cannot start with a number. Name. And this name can be anything. I'm writing here name as a variable name, but you can write it here anything. Name and then Dylan. Now I make a variable, the variable called name, and I put the data Dylan. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna replace the Dylan with name variable and add it with a plus. Now let's run the program. Yeah, it functions perfectly. Let's do the same thing for the second line as well. Name and variable with the string with a plus. Dylan is from California. Yeah, fine. Now here there's a little trick, like I put the name between of a string, I mean in the middle of a string. So for this case we need to divide this string in two parts and add that variable with plus. I asked Dylan for a match. He said no. Perfect. Now we can make another variable age, 27. So instead of 27, add here age, but first we need to divide it in two parts. I mean, we need to divide this integer in two parts. Now add age. Let's see what happened. It's not working because the age here, it's not a string, it's a integer. So we cannot add integer in this way. But what we can do is, I mean, if we make it as a string, then it works perfectly. But if we want to add integer here, then instead of plus we need to use comma. See, it works perfectly. So the thing is, variables cannot start. So the things we learn here from here is the variables cannot start with a number. It has to be a character or underscore, and the integers is the integer variable is different from the string variables. I mean, the way to add the integer variables is different from the string variables. So that's it for variables. So what is the use of, so how variables makes us makes the code typing easier. So for example, if the code is like 100 lines, then we need to change the name everywhere. For example, now I want to make a new report about a new person, and his name is Gerard. His age is 30. I just need to change the data here, and it will change everywhere. I don't need to change the data i- on the all of the lines. I just need to change that from the name of the variable. Yeah. So that's now let's move to the second part of the video, the numerical types. Here we can see just the basic plus minus uh, calculations, like 5 plus 2. Let's run it first. Yeah, so 5 plus 2 7, 5 minus 2 3, 5 uh, multiplication by multiplication multiplication by 2 10, and 5 divided by 2 2.5. But the difference is, I mean, this things is new. This is called floor division. Floor division means it will give us the closest, it will give us the integer result of that division. For example, 5 divided by 2 means 2.5, but 5 floor division 2 is only 2. It won't show the floating part of that result. This is floor division. And modulus means the remainder of the division. For example, 5 divided by 2 means 4, and the division and the remainder is 1. So here the modulus only shows the a reminder. For example, if you put here 3 8 and here 3, then the modulus answer is 2. That means 8 divided by 3 is 6, and the remainder is 2, so only the 2 is printed here. We can use variable here as well for to make this code look nice. And for example, we are using the variable name a and b, and all we need to do is here we need to change the names. And yeah, need to do this everywhere. Yeah. Now I just need to add value here. 5 plus 2, 5 and 2, and let's run the program. Look, it works perfectly. So this is how variables makes the code easier and look more nice, and looks very simple or human readable. So that's it for this video. Thank you for staying this too long. See you in the coming videos.